23 de diciembre. Running errands a las 8 de la mañana. Ahora después vamos para la casa a cocinar. Está Pedro divirtiendo, le roban un peso, con 50 centavos. Just got back from grocery shopping for tomorrow, so we're gonna start now. Chef Pedro, muestre sus habilidades.
Papo.
Chef Papo. Oh, let me find out. Lasaña de berenjena en el proceso. There goes my tripod. Ven, ¿pa' dónde va con el tripod? Ven. Oh. Un beso, mamá. Mua, papá, mua. Mua. Eso. Last minute shopping. 8 o'clock in the morning in the mall. I ordered a gift online and never got here, so now I have to buy something else. Señores, está vacío el mall, so it's good to come at this time. I'll see you guys later. So we have a question. Who makes better food? For me?
We're ranking the Spanish countries and their food. So we're saying it's Peruvians, Mexicans, Colombians, and then Dominicans.
Just for the fact, Dominican Republic doesn't last because
Estamos hartos de un arroz con pollo y guandules. Estamos hartos. Los mismos espaguetis de siempre.
I'm dead. You're not even in the video.
Oh.
You are so stupid. Face the camera to you. Estamos hartos.
El mismo carne guisado.
This is too much. We love our Dominican food. Don't get us wrong. But if they ask us to pick one, we're gonna pick Peruvians.
Word.
100%. Alright, so it's Christmas Eve. We running errands before the party. We hosting the party this year.
You hosted the party.
Yeah, so we're about to pick out 7 chickens. And what did Nada listen?
She asked them if they were live chickens. That makes sense. We're gonna buy 7 live chickens on Christmas Eve and roast them in the backyard.
We're gonna gift everybody a chicken. A live chicken.
I can eat a whole chicken.
Yeah, you can. I believe you.
I'm up for that, chop.
So we're gonna go pick up the cake because it's Christmas Eve, but we celebrate Noah's birthday. Noah's second birthday batch.
It's the ambulance.
It's the ambulance, South Amboy. So yes, we celebrated the baby's birthday because he didn't get to see the family on his real birthday, which is December 2nd. So since everybody's coming over, we're taking the opportunity to sing a happy birthday to Noah, hosted by us. And the theme is, what's the theme?
Incredibles mixed with Woody and Mickey Mouse.
Okay.
Because somebody doesn't know how to plan.
No. I wanted it to be a Woody Toy Story theme. So I got the piñata, and then I came home rushing. I filled the piñata with everything, and then when I went back to the store to get like the Woody to put on top of the case and stuff, then it had nothing Toy Story related. So I had to change the theme to The Incredibles. But now I can't return the piñata because it's already full of toys and candy. So the piñata is going to be Woody, and the cake is going to be The Incredibles. And then Noah is going to have an outfit with Mickey Mouse. So
now would you look at that?
Let's not say it's an incredible theme. It's a Disney character theme. Okay?
You just getting ready for next year, aren't you?
I'm getting ready. Yes, because where are we going next year, Lando?
We're going to Disney World.
Why are we going to Disney?
Because you're employee of the year.
Because your mom is awesome.
That too.
Your mom got employee of the fucking year.
You're gonna get demonetized. You have to bleep that out.
Why am I gonna get monetized?
Because you can't curse on YouTube.
Well, we're gonna like beep. Alright. We will vlog when we get to the Peruvian to pick up the chicken.
The live chicken's not.